Do you save burned out Christmas tree lights, or do you throw them away? You know what? I decided years ago that I was not going to attempt to fix burned out strings of light bulbs. I'm not having it. I'm not having it. I love buying them from Walmart. They're a great price. They're a great color. And when they burn out or half the string goes out, I'm done with it. But I'm going to tell you my favorite tip for burned out light bulb strings, and you'll never forget it. You'll think, why didn't I know this when I was 32? But now you'll know, okay? You know why I started this YouTube channel? It's not about me. It's all about you, because I believe that you have the ability to find creative solutions for everyday problems. And as I've dealt with chronic pain and setbacks and things that you deal with in business and just all of life's demands, I decided that I was just going to dig down deep and figure out ways to creatively change my thoughts, change my situation. I believe that you can create your story and change your life. Sometimes you have to think about it a little bit. Sometimes it doesn't set just right off the first time you hear it, but the more you think about it, your thoughts will transform your life. Thoughts that are true and thoughts that are shifted. Sometimes we have to pivot our thoughts, don't we? But I promise I'm going to give you this tip. You will never, ever forget it. So one time I was decorating and I needed an extension cord, decorating a Christmas tree to be exact. So when you have your Christmas tree all lit and you're short an extension cord to go from here to over there, and a lot of times you're hiding that ugly cord, aren't you? Well, here's what you can do. You can use this burned out string of Christmas lights for an extension cord. Now, you know that extension cords have, on regular extension cords, these plugs, one is a little bit wider than the other for safety reasons. I'm not an electrician. I'm telling you to do this at your own risk. I've done this at my own risk because honestly, I don't think it's that risky, but that's just me. You do what you think you should do. I'm going to tell you what I did to creatively solve the problem that I had, because I need an extension cord right then, and I didn't have one right then. So I plugged my burned out lights. I went and pulled them right out of the trash, and I used them for a plug to go to the outlet until I could get a regular extension cord, and it worked perfectly. Now going back to these little slots right here. Only Christmas lights will work in these slots. This will not work as an actual extension cord like for a lamp or a curling iron or something like that. It will only work for Christmas lights, but it works fabulously. So do you get what I'm saying? You have your Christmas tree all lit and you need to plug it in, or you need an extra extension cord to make it just a little longer. Use your burned out string. See, you won't ever forget it. You'll wish you knew it when you were 32. So create your story and change your life. I promise you, you will need this. If you don't need it tonight while you're decorating, you're going to need it next week or the next week or the next week, and you'll be glad that I told you. So that's what I wanted to tell you. And so I did. It's raw, it's real, it's unedited, it's Rachel, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye-bye.